Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about like some of the posts by Sawyer's, and it's very interesting, right? So, as you can see right here, his first, actually, the first post that we'll be talking about is the price increase in Canada due to the tariffs. So, Tesla has increased new Model Y price in Canada by up to 21% due to the tariff situations with the U.S. Model 3 prices have increased by up to 15%. However, inventory pricing hasn't changed in Canada due to those cars already been in the country. So this is for the Canadian people. So if you're gonna buy a Tesla, make sure you check on the inventory because that's how one way that you can save the money, avoid the 21% increase. Moving on. His other post is, wow, Tesla is offering select brand new 2024 Model 3 performance inventory cars for just $41,490 with a 10% discount and zero APR and also FSD transfer. My last video I mentioned about the 0% APR, which is great, but this is going to be greater, right? So if you're in the market and if you want a fast car at an affordable price and all this incentive, I don't think this it can get any better. Well, maybe they can. They can throw in like 2 years, 3 years free supercharging. But look at this, a 2.9 second 0-60 for just $41,490 is nuts. A lot of value for the money, and I totally agree with Sawyer in this because. In my opinion, I think this car costs a lot more. Only the reason why they want to do this is because of the tax incentive. But I think this car should be in like at least $60,000 range. Deep blue metallic and pearl white paint color as well as the white interiors are now included for no extra cost on the new Model 3 Performance order in the US. No FSD purchase necessary. Unreal. Because before that, Tesla used to requires you to buy FSD and then they'll throw in like one or two items for free. But in this case, you don't have to buy the FSD. So the note is $41,490 price includes the $7,500 federal tax credit. Still very, very low. Very, very affordable. And here we can see the picture of the Model 3. It's a deep blue color. It actually tells you all the spec about the car as well. And it also has the referral applied. And as you can see right here, it has the adjustment price here. And deep blue at 20-inch. Some of this, you might want to check on the bottom of the listing. Sometimes it'll tell you the reason for the discount. Most of it could be like a demo vehicle with a couple hundred miles all the way to maybe 2,000-3,000 miles driven on it. And if there's damages to the thing, Tesla will fix it and put it back. You will own it like a brand new car. It hasn't been issued title to anyone. It's just the fact that it's a demo and there might be blemishes. But Tesla usually corrected it before they sell it back to consumer, and due to that reason, you get it. Like depending on the infractions of the fix, or then that's how much the savings or the adjustment will be. Some of the red ones are 10% off too. So if you like red color like myself, where you pay $2,000 extra just for the multi-red color where you used to pay for, now it's also free. And this one is news. Tesla is giving everyone free supercharging at 30 select supercharger stations around the world tomorrow, April 26th. Here's all the free supercharging locations. So as you can see, in Europe, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. That's quite a bit of time. And this is in Ireland, United Kingdom, Denmark, Finland, Sweden. As you can see, quite a bit of locations here. And in North America, we got the one in Santa Monica, Calumet City, California, Phoenix. Too bad there isn't one near my house. And in Asia Pacific, we got Singapore, we got Malaysia, we got Thailand, Philippines, South Korea as well too. There's A lot of location. Thank you, Elon. Thank you, Tesla. And here, this one is an interesting one. So this one he's talking about like the California is overhauling its self-driving vehicle regulations governing Tesla, Waymo, and Zoo, and others. So the proposed regulations would require driverless vehicle makers to obtain a permit for testing with a human safety driver on board, then complete a certain number of, I guess, miles, test miles. They would then need to obtain another permit for driverless testing, as well as a final permit to deploy driverless vehicles in California. As we are aware, Waymo they're already doing this as a taxi fleet already. But I think Tesla will soon, because according to Elon, he said this June, so we're like only about maybe a month or two away. So expect that. And here it give you more information on the regulation itself. But most of the Tesla cars right now, as soon as it comes out for the production line, it actually drives itself to wherever it's supposed to be going. Like maybe waiting at the parking lot, get ready to get on the ship or on another truck. Who knows? But it's pretty neat. I can't wait to see it. And talking about Waymo, so here you can see it might look a little bit like ugly or weird, but you know, for the safety of the passengers or the consumers, they have radars, they have a lot of things, a bunch of cameras, and you know, just to make sure that it maneuvers safely, right? But we're not gonna go deep detailed about the differences between Waymo and Tesla, but let's go. This one is what is one. So Tesla has created a new X account for the Tesla Semi. So yeah, they're making more semis as well. Here, Elon Musk to accelerate Tesla FSD unsupervised progress to fight inverse Kramer's karma. So Kramer, he's a well-known stock analyst, and I would say whatever he says, you just do the opposite of him, and then you come out winning. Here, Tesla, Kramer's and Robotaxi. And this one is, this is this ex-CEO. This is just we're not going to get into that one. This one is what? News. Tesla India's office is refunding early bookers of its Model 3, signaling that the company is nearing a rollout in the world's third largest automobile market. So Tesla is coming to India. Nice. Well, that's pretty much I have for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. But other than that, thank you much, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.